How we doing today, man? We are back on the Fresh 5 set of fundeds. Goal is, I just told the live stream, live on Discord here, and in front of, let's see how many we got. We got 35 people, and we're going to just see how today goes. I don't really have a bias either way, like that I'm sold on. If we want to go higher, we have some pretty nice draws here. So market just opened. We have these draws higher here that look pretty good, but then I also just am anticipating a Friday pullback because we've had such a huge expansion over this weekly range. So we'll see what happens here. I like this target for lower. We do have data highs, even though this candle came out before CPI, which is kind of interesting. So gonna just be patient. I know I always talk about being a patient trader, but you know, like if you fail, you get back up and you try again. So we failed, we get back up, we try again, and we see how it goes. I'm super excited for today's trading session. We're still early enough in the month. We already got a payout this month. We're still early in the month that we can still shape a really, really solid month on these accounts. Just has to be what happens if we take a loss. Yesterday, I was really happy with how I traded. I was really pleased with how I traded yesterday, but we didn't lose. So it's very easy to trade when you don't lose, right? It's very simple. Might just sweep this high. Which one was this? It was a 10 o'clock high on a Wednesday. So it's a pretty prominent high. ES is kind of, this 4-hour fair value gap is enticing for me. We have these relative equal highs on ES. We have a lot of bullish targets, and we're obviously bullish on the higher time frame for now, gearing back up to these all-time highs. But I really wish I just put in some long-term buys here because I'm about to send my money to a financial advisor to like manage my long-term portfolio, and I wish I sent it to him 2 weeks ago because we'd already be up pretty good. But you know, the market's gonna have pullbacks. It's the dollar cost averaging. It's not financial advice. I don't know what I'm talking about, but so it looks like we're gonna come up here and sweep these highs, which is fine by me. I don't really have much of an entry to it unless I wanted to get aggressive off open, which I didn't really want to. Bounced off midnight open. We have these relative equal lows, so we could have a pretty nice short potential later if we do sweep those highs. Or we could be setting up a nice long, right? If we leave this high here and we come down and we get a nice long setup, I don't mind that. Let's see what you guys are saying. I'll let people come on and speak. I do the what's it called? I do the stage when I'm live trading because otherwise I wouldn't want to live trade. I don't really like doing the live trading where people can just talk. But I'll let anyone hop in and talk after I'm done trading for the day, and we can run it like normal. From a 6-kilometer run, good stuff, Samarth. I'll be at eval. Hope today is a good trading day. Done for the day. Dang, done before open. It's solid. How expensive it was the financial advisor. I'm thinking of doing the same. It's so you don't really pay anything. It's just they take a percentage of the year. So they would take 1.25% from the entire year. So every quarter they take about what's that, like 30.33%. So at the end of the year, they're going to take 1% of your entire portfolio, which is not like, it's pretty standard, but it's also not that bad because think about all the stress you're saving yourself from not having to manage it. Like think about trading stress. Like imagine holding a long-term portfolio and then war news comes out and you're down 10% on your, like all your money. And you're like, wow, I just lost $1,000 today. Like you kind of like get emotional. You'd be like, oh, do I sell it? Do I put it into this stock? So it's just like, it's worth the, yeah. Trump just tweeted that? Or like, what was my password reset? Dude. ES and NQ are not really correlating too much right now. At least for me. Madrid play today. It's kind of a weird day on a Friday to play, but I think it's because they have the Champions League. Hopefully they can come back against Bayern Munich. I'm just happy that Barcelona lost as well. So we have a little displacement here. I'm just going to look at what the 30-second is. I still don't have... I've never paid for the 30-second on TradingView, which is funny. So it's interesting how we swept out the high on the MNQ contract, but I'm not going to worry about that because that doesn't really matter. But this is the 30-second. We have a gap here that we're maybe going to hold, maybe going to displace through. I'm not really sure. Like, again, I'm not the most confident to long where we are at right now, but the CPI high is very prominent and we have a lot of highs above. So it kind of just makes it a little bit tricky to know. Let's see, this low. So we have SMT at these lows too. So we kind of have some bullish narrative, but like, see, I would almost rather short here, but ES is lower than NQ already. So I wouldn't really love this short, although that would be your entry right here, and it'd be flushing. That would be your 1 minute entry. Again, something about it just seems a little bit weird. 30-point stop. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm going to wait for a little bit later. I forgot to check if there's any other news. 10, nothing really too crazy though. Like for me, this is a little bit just low in the range, and ES is already below here. If we weren't below this on ES, and we were like maybe right here, then there would be a little bit more promising of a fair value gap inversion. But having the SMT, I still think that these equal lows on this midnight open are a pretty good target eventually with this volume imbalance, but it's nothing that's like has to go to right now. We could go up higher first and then get a move lower. So let's see. ES came into this 15-minute gap, sweep this low. We have SMT now. So we'll see. That's why I don't want to. That's why I'd rather take a long in this situation with the SMT with everything in place, but it still just doesn't scream like super obvious. That's my problem with this trade. So it doesn't scream like we have to go higher, but it does look pretty dang good. So I might give it a stab here.
Order filled.
I'm just going to target 86. Target the data high would be on the full contract. Break even at the swing high. That's a very brutal first trade.
Stop filled.
And not to just flip biases, but I actually
Order
do like
filled.
shorts now. If we get bully-wicked both sides, then we'll have to definitely reevaluate, but kind of need to go break even though because of that low. If we get another flush through it. Probably missed my chance to go break even. Yeah, probably missed my chance to go break even here. Yeah, should have gone break even right away.
Order filled.
Yeah, missed my chance to go break even there, and then now again, not to flip again, but this looks like my setup here, so this is my last attempt here.
Order filled.
And if we get just really hammered here, then we're just going to be done for the day. Dude, I just think I'm getting smoked on both sides here. This is bad.
Order filled.
Sucks I took the second loss because I could have gone break even at those relative equal lows. The first loss is what it is, just didn't play out. Wish I kept my stop here. And then this third loss, still fine. I mean, we reacted off that low, got the inversion. I mean, it's just part of trading. You're gonna take 3 losses. Maybe I could avoid the second one. Maybe I could look back and figure out why these weren't bad, but I still kind of stand by all those trades. Even if it looked like flipping bias quick. It's just this one here, I should have gone break even at this low. I should not have taken a loss on that position. Just stinks to start these new accounts down so much money. It really just stinks, bro. Gets better stop loss placement. Could have done it this low.
Order filled.
Dude, I'm getting crushed. I'm getting crushed out here. I still am confident in the bias of higher now at this point. But we're getting crushed in a choppy market. Just gonna set this here in case something gets tweeted that would put us break even on the day. That's ridiculous, but gonna be just managing it to these highs if it gets up there, and just kind of see. I don't know what targets we have. Probably gonna break even above that high. Want a trail stop here, but it's been so choppy that I don't know. ES is just dumping lower. Doesn't look good here.
Stop field.
Wow, 4 straight just huge L's, bro. Yeah, I mean, like I feel you guys, but like I still stand by the fact that I don't think I've taken any terrible trades. Maybe I should have just stopped after the second loss, but I this one here, maybe I should have my stop at the low and I would have been break even. Should have gone break even at this one. I could have probably gotten away with 2 losses here. But just didn't trade optimally, I guess. So you get beaten for it. I like this, dude.
Order filled.
Dog, come on, bro. I can just feel it. I deserve it too. I didn't come into the day expecting to do this, even if I lost. I really did think I had it under control, but if obviously I don't. I really did think I had it. I really thought I had a better mind frame coming into the day. And everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the face. That's just how it is. I really felt confident that today would be a day I could just accept losses. But then you lose your first two trades, and then just everything just hits you. And it sucks. I wish I wasn't this way. I still think this trade should go up, but it probably won't just because it just hasn't been all day. The price action's not good right now. I don't understand that close just to snap back down, dude. Like, where is the momentum forwards to those equal highs?
Stop field.
You boys are gonna hate me, but I'm just going for it, dude. Oh my gosh, dude, this is just... I don't know what's wrong with me. It's like, I guess, like, it's like, how can you even step away after you're down 1,500?
Order filled.
That's it.
Order filled.
Oh, boys. All right, YouTube's done there.